gonna show you everything you have to buy at Diagon Alley. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go shop. We are gonna show you what you must buy when you are here. Let's start off. We got this robe from here. It is a lot better quality than the ones you can get at the Halloween store.
Pockets inside, right here.
Yep,
Put your wand right in there.
Wand.
And a nice hood.
Yeah. There you go. You look cool. We bought the robes at Madame Malkin's in Diagon Alley. They do go for $139, so they are a little expensive. It depends how big of a fan you are with Harry Potter. We're gonna go inside and show you the different styles.
It'd be best to rethink that color combination.
So you think it'd be best to reconsider the color combination? They have all 4 houses in this store as well as in Hogsmeade, and you can buy the robes online for the same price on Universal's website. You can even get them embroidered with your name. Now the sizes go from 2XL to 4 extra small. Our next recommendation is getting the moving pictures package at Shutterbutton's. I will put in a clip of our video and I will put the link in the description, more information, but this is super fun and super unique. The total was $85, but pass holders also get a discount, and they do offer picture packages as well. So you can get the wands at Ollivander's. We have Hermione. You get a map of all the wand spots. Diagon Alley first, and then the other side. And then we got Hogsmeade on this side, all the wand spots, and there are still secret ones too. And Ollivander's behind us, we have the Hermione wand, and this one's interactive. From the tip, it has that at the end, so it can read there for the spells. And then this one just lights up, and it was $30 for people who aren't ready for the wands yet. It's on the ground. Yep, and you make a P. You gotta point it at this reader here. Don't hit it, bum. There you go, you did it! Good job! So there's a lot of spells. Good job, Pumpkin. This place is huge, but very tight in there.
But the Slytherin's really cool.
The Slytherin's really cool.
Right there.
So I have Harry, Ron, Ginny, Neville, Luna, Draco, Cho Chang, Cedric Diggory. This is Fleur. This one right here, Professor Snape, Professor Lupin, Sirius Black, Professor Dumbledore. You have Gregorovitch, one of the winemakers, Xenophilius Lovegood, Bellatrix Lestrange, the Dark Lord, an unnamed Death Eater, Narcissa Malfoy, another unnamed Death Eater, Peter Pettigrew, Albus Dumbledore's firstborn, Newt Scamander, Theseus Scamander, Lita Lestrange, Queenie Goldstein, Tina Goldstein, Seraphina Pickery, you have Nicholas Flamel, you have Yusuf Kamal, and then right here you have Fred, and then you have George.
Oh my gosh, that's cool! The twins!
I like Bellatrix.
Yeah, I do. Well, I like the Death Eater. Alright, of course, if you are in Diagon Alley, you have to have, or Hogsmeade, you gotta have a Butterbeer. Hot, cold, and frozen. There's another spot for Butterbeer too over here. Just as a bonus tip, I would recommend going into the Gringotts bank. Just as a souvenir, you can get a 10 or a 20 in exchange for cash, and you can spend it at the park. Alright, so you gotta get a pet when you're here, and Hedwig is a puppet. He's probably one of the coolest ones. We're gonna go in here and see what animals they have. Pygmy Puff, the kitty cat. Yeah. Little owls.
He's cute.
Yeah.
Pumpkin, he's cute.
I like the froggy too. And Hedwig. Oh, they have a different Hedwig right now. Of course, you're gonna get a chocolate frog when you're here. Let's go see what else they have inside. 30 bots, every flavored bean. Yeah.
All over the place.
They're all over the place?
Yeah.
These are his favorites. Yeah, Vanessa had that before. I like it. Jelly slug, soft, chewy, gummy treats. Glacier.
Newts, they are newts.
Yeah.
Cute.
The fudge flies.
What's this?
Peppermint toast. It's a potion.
What's
Felix
this?
liquid sweets. Fizzing Whizbees.
I always wanted to try those.
There's chocolate toffee. There's a chocolate wand.
Nothing's better than in here than ice cream.
Are you sure? Even that witch hat cupcake? The no-melt ice cream is similar to frosting. The cauldron cake was pretty good. They've got some caramels on top, which they also have at Honeyduke's in Hogsmeade. So this is just a smaller case. They have some fudge, new cookies, all kinds of apples. The sugar plum one is special to here, but honestly everything is pretty good. So next up, I would recommend going here for ice cream. It's probably our favorite ice cream place in all of Universal. They have some very unique flavors, some strange and some delicious. We've only had the hard pack ice cream and the sundaes, but we hope to come back and try some of the special soft serve flavors as well. We got the vanilla with rainbow sprinkles.
I will wait all day for hot butter.
Is it good? Alright, my girl likes the vanilla. Bunny boy.
Ribbit.
Are you happy?
I will call for too. Ribbit. What's that?
Got a new one this time, a Slytherin. I got the strawberry and strawberry peanut butter sundae with the crumbles. Let me see. Whoa. Hold on. Here we go.
I just bite his eye.
Just bought his eye.
We can try this. Is good. I'm trying his feet.
You can try his feet. You got
Really
to see
warm
it?
sitting here.
Yeah. Are you happy you saw it again?
Yeah.
Okay. You like that?
Hot.
Yeah, it is hot. Okay, so we're gonna show the Marauders map. Let's go in the dark alley. See it light up. Oh, there you go. Turned it on. And then she presses the names, and you can see the footprints. With this interactive map, you can treat it kind of like a game. In the instructions, it says to hide Harry from Snape, tap the one on the Hogwarts crest at the top of the map just before he reaches one of the 4 hiding places. Harry will then enter that hiding place, tap the Hogwarts crest once more, and Harry will leave the hiding place to continue his journey. Snape will descend from the turret and disappear from the bottom of the map. If he passes Harry in the corridor, both characters will stop for a few seconds. Goal is to try to get all 3 of the students in the room before any of them disappear, and each one has its own route, but Harry is the only one you can change. We have invisible cloaks. This is a bonus that you can find on Amazon or Barnes & Noble sometimes, Target, but I would recommend Amazon. It was super easy. Okay, so we set the scene to make sure that there is nobody in the way, and then take the picture, and you gotta hold completely still. No video? Okay. Alright, it's good. Alright, now walk over there, Pumpkin. You're gonna be invisible.
She totally is invisible.
I can't see her. Poke your head. Oh.
Hi. I see your head and your feet. Now I just see your head. Come closer to me.
There you go.
That's awesome.
Ah! Good job.
Buddy, don't move Daddy.
Yeah, careful. We gotta hold very still for it to work. Very cool. You can do all kinds of scenes with it. Now, just for fun, I'm going to end with some of the most expensive items and some of the cheapest items. So these are in Nocturne Alley, and then in this store back at Diagon Alley, we're going to find some of the most expensive things in the park. One being a sketch of Diagon Alley for $5.59, a small replica of Gringotts for $4.95. Finally, prints being the most expensive items in the Wizarding World. This one is signed by one of the creators of the ride. This village is just really neat. I've seen it at both parks. And if you buy the whole set, you're going to be spending $650. I then asked a team member what would be the best gift to buy for the cheapest price. She said keychains, pens, even the lanyards would probably be the best bet. They could range from anywhere from $8 to $20. If you have any questions on Universal Orlando or Harry Potter area, feel free to comment down below, or you can message us on Instagram. We'd be happy to help.
Stay up and subscribe for my videos and sky.